Good day, ladies and gentlemen, judges and co-participants. My name is Oluwatobi Ibosiola, and I initiate coverage of BOA Food PLC with a buy recommendation from its current price of 693 Naira to a target price of 119 Naira, representing a 47% upside from the last close of the market. My buy recommendation is based on two key theses. One, that BOA Food is well positioned to effectively capture rising domestic food demand, and two, BOA Food's strategic expansion and product diversification to drive and fuel long-term growth. Now to the business model. BOA Food is a leading food manufacturing company in Nigeria. First incorporated in 2005, it has risen to be a market leader in the agricultural FMCG sector. Its product is diversified across 4 major segments, with which sugar has contributed to the highest revenue, about 48% revenue in FY 2024. BOA Food has the highest market capitalization in Nigeria Stock Exchange, with a revenue CAGR of 30% over the past 3 years. And in fiscal year 24, its revenue amounted to about 1.5 trillion Naira. BOA Food management team from here is characterized by experienced professionals and industry leaders, and a testament to this is his financial results. Now to his industry analysis. The Nigerian fast-moving consumer goods sector is characterized by strong demand and rising inflation. However, in 2025, following key government policy, I expect a decline in inflation and costs. Also, we see how staple foods remain the key driver for this demand, with Nigeria population projected to grow to about 270 million in 2030. My SWOT analysis supports my buy recommendation. Now to the competitive position of BOA Food. BOA Food positions itself competitively through cost leadership, vertical integration, capacity expansion, among others. Among its competitors, BOA Food has the lowest cost margin. From the next slide, see among its competitors like Dangote, Flour Mills Nigeria, Honeywell Flour, it has the lowest cost margin and also the highest revenue growth in 2024. Now to my investment thesis. BOA Food's strategic position to capture rising food domestic demand is hinged on Nigeria's growing population, domestic production deficit, and rising staple food demand. With its plans to increase production capacity across its major segments, it sees its position to penetrate the broader African market. With all this, and coupled with the backward integration plan of BOA Foods, it will further lower cost and boost its profit margin. My financial analysis projects BOA revenue to grow. I expect BOA revenue to grow to about a CAGR of 50.6% in my forecast, with significant revenue contribution across its major product segments. It has dividend PI ratio, which is consistent, which is a strong signal to equity investors as it maximizes shareholder returns. From its financial, it depicts a healthy financial, so I expect it to continue long term. Okay. Now to my valuation. I deployed a blend of DCF and relative valuation to realize a target price of 119 Naira, using a WACC of 18% and a weighting of 80% for DCF and 20% for relative. While BOA Food multiple is trading here at a premium to its peer, it boasts of ROE higher than its peer. That's its justification. Identify 3 major risks: raw material risks, foreign exchange risk, and price competition risk. However, they did not pose a major downside effect to my valuation, so I hereby restate my buy recommendation for BOA Food PLC with a target of 119 Naira from the last close of the market price of 692 Naira, representing a 47% upside. Thank you.